Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick video how to replace a rear tail lamp on a Toyota Camry. We're doing this on a 2012 model here, but the idea should be the same for most models. Got a new lamp ready on eBay, 40 bucks. And first we got to get to the back here to get to the lamp. We're going to pop these tabs off right here so we can pull this back. So all you need is a flathead screwdriver for these. You just lift it, this opens up, and you pull it off. Same with this one here, and then we got one in here. And then we gotta remove this as well. Oh, okay, push it. Yep, this button here, push it, and this pops off. And that's it. Here's our tail lamp. I'm gonna disconnect the lights here. So flathead screwdriver here. Push the tab, pull this out. Same with this tab. Push it, pull it out. Push it, pull it out. We got all three lights out. They're all different sizes, so you shouldn't mix them up. And we're gonna save the bulbs, but I'll replace them when I take the tail lamp out. We're gonna unscrew these 3 bolts here to pop the lamp out. So you need an 8mm socket or 8mm wrench to get these off. Now we can pop this off. Watch this tab here, this hooks to the bumper. Gotta slide it out like that. So my replacement comes with a new tab. If it doesn't, you can pop this one off. Pops off right there and reuse it. Grab our new lamp. Install the tab I was talking about. Just clicks in. I'm gonna hook the tab to the bumper here. Actually, might be a good idea to loosen the bumper here when we put it back on, even remove it. I'm gonna unscrew this bolt right here. And that's a 10mm. Alright, so now we have a little more wiggle room to the bumper. We're going to line up our tab first here. Grab that. Once we have that, we can slide this in. Line up our bolt and just push it right through. And now we just need to tighten up all the bolts in here again. You can give it a little push to make sure you have a snug fit. And now we just tighten all 4 up. That wrench. So don't forget to get your bumper bolt back on. Now we clip our lights back in. Looks like we already have a bulb here with the new one, so we don't have to replace with the old one. Just plug all these back up. That's good. This back in here. Remember, this one you have to push it. Okay, and now we just pop these back in. Push and click in. Push, click in. One more up here. And that's it, guys. We're all done.